It might seem like Japan, but this is Bijie in Guizhou, China. Every spring, tourists flock to these cherry tree blossoms. Later, area farmers harvest and sell the cherries. Dozens of years ago, this land was almost bare. Desertification had been a serious problem. Over time, the environment worsened and productivity declined. Then, in 1999, a new policy called Restoring Farmland to Forest was implemented. In the beginning, locals doubted the new program would work. Locals were provided subsidies and food, and specialists were recruited to plan sustainability for the region. Corn and buckwheat fields were repurposed for growing fruit with greater commercial value. Within a few years, both the environment and the farmers' livings had improved. In one village, vegetation coverage increased from just over 10% to 90%. Per capita incomes jumped from just over 1,000 yuan to 10,000 yuan. 20 years later, the policy of restoring farmland to forest has transformed vast areas into productive land and improved regional development needs.